Okay. Students, I hope we can see this PDF file, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, second, this is also a simple problem, but let's go on solving little bit, few more problems. Okay, so here they have given you three situations where you have to find out the present value. So they are directly given. If the discount or a required rate is 10%, compute present value of cash flow streams detailed below. Okay, so that is what is mentioned. So if the discount rate is 10%, compute present value of the cash flow streams detailed below. Okay, there are three streams of cash flows, 1, 2, and 3. So separately you have to find out the present value. So since they have given it very clearly as a present value, so there should not be any confusion. That's why I said in time value of money numerical problems, you should carefully read the sentence and try to understand. Okay. So since it is present value, there are three situations. One is the present value of a single cash flow, present value of a annuity, present value of perpetuity. So just you need to identify which one is among them. So first is 100 rupees to be received at the end of year 1. 100 rupees to be received at the end of year 1. Definitely. So what is this case? Single cash flow, annuity, or perpetuity?
Single cash flow.
Yes, very good. Definitely. Okay, single cash flow. Okay. So we need to apply discounting technique because they have already asked us to find out the present value. So in that present value of a single cash flow, so we need to refer table A3. Okay. And the equation is P is equal to A into PVIF. Okay. So we need to find out the present value interest factor, okay, from table A3. Okay, for in 10% interest column and 1 year row. See, from in previous problem, I think we found out this. Remember, first year row and 10% interest column from table A3. The present value interest factor was 0.909. Okay, so we fill this PVIF value into the equation. So amount or sum is 100 rupees, sum to be received. 100 into 0.909 is 90 rupee 90 paise. The present value of 100 rupee to be received after 1 year, okay, is 90 rupee 90 paise. Okay, I think there is nothing much to discuss here. Then second is also the case of 100 rupees, same single amount to be received at the end of 4 years. Only that is the difference. Okay. So there is no confusion here. Single cash flow, but only to be received at the end of 4 years or after 4 years. So 100 rupees is the sum or amount to be received. Then we need to find out from table A3 10% interest column and 4th year row. Okay. The PVIF factor, I think this was also there in the previous. This was also there in the previous problem. We have already seen how to find it. 0.683. So when I multiply, the present value of 100 rupee to be received after 4 years is 68 rupee 30 paise. Okay. Now when we look at the third, okay, stream, so what it says is 100 rupees to be received every year. Okay. So underline this. 100 rupee to be received every year for the next 10 years. So every year, okay, means it is the case of annuity. It is the case of annuity. Annuity is a stream of equal, okay, annual cash flows for a definite period of time, which is 10 years. Okay, so definitely we need to consider discounting technique because we have been asked to find out the present value. Then in that present value of an annuity, 100 rupees to be received every year for next 10 years. Every year, 100 rupees. Okay, 100 rupee first year, 100 rupee second year, 100 rupee third year, 100 rupee fourth year, like that. So it's the case of annuity. So we need to refer table A4. Okay. So the equation is that P is equal to C into bracket ADF. C is the value of annuity, 100 rupees. ADF is the annuity discount factor obtained from table A4 for 10 years and for 10% interest column. So definitely we'll find out the annuity discount factor. Okay. So table A4 I will have to refer. Okay. So this is a 10% interest column. Okay. And 10th year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the value here? 10% column, 10th year row. What is the value?
6.145.
Yes, yes.
145.
Very good. Thank you. 6.145 the annuity discount factor. Table A4 is the present value of an annuity of 1 rupee. Okay. So we'll fill the value in our problem. So it is 6.154. So 100 into 6.154 is 614 rupee 50 paise.
Sir, it
614.
is the 6.145, sir.
145 from the table.
Yes, sir. Answer
Yes,
is
sir.
correct, sir. But ADF
Okay,
is
okay. Typing error. Okay, I will remember and I will correct it. Okay, so very good observation, Keshav. And who else was it? Purna,
Pooja, sir.
Pooja. Okay, Pooja Kadam. Okay, very good observation. Okay, so I'm happy. So this is answer is correct, but here it is 145. Instead of that, it is written 154. So very good. So I'm happy that students are keeping an observation. It shows that they are learning properly. So I hope all the students are keeping the same observation. So 100 into 6.145 is equal to 614 rupee 50 paise, the present value of the annuity. Okay. So like this, you will have numericals. So any questions here? 2 problems we solved. So this one is quite simple because they have directly asked, find out the present value of the following cash streams. Any questions? Anybody?
Sir.
Yes. No? Okay. So let
No,
me go
sir.
ahead with then attendance first. Okay. So everyone be ready. Like when I call Abhishek should be ready. Okay. To answer the attendance. When I call Abhishek, Align should be ready. Don't unmute after calling your name. So first Abhijit.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek,
Present, sir.
Align.
Present, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So those who want to, okay, turn on their video, you can turn on. So you can see each other. Then Align is present. Amrut. Amrut present. Amrut is present.
Present, sir.
Yes, present. Anagha.
Present, sir.
Anusha Kautekar.
Present, sir.
Anusha Achari.
Present, sir.
Anushri.
Present, sir.
Ashwini.
Present, sir.
Asra.
Yes, sir.
Swati.
Present, sir.
Balappa.
Sir, Astra present.
Yeah, Asra marked present. Yes.
Present.
Swati is present. Balappa is present. Then Bharti.
Present, sir.
Chinmay.
Present, sir.
Deepa.
Yes, sir.
Dodda Okay, absent. Ganesh.
Present, sir.
Hiranna.
Yes, sir.
Shrikant.
Yes, sir.
Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Lakshmikant.
Yes, sir.
Manjuna,
Yes, sir.
Manjunath, okay, Manjunath,
Present, sir.
present. Muttava,
Present, sir.
Nagamegha,
Present, sir.
Nagraj. Nagraj is absent. Okay. Dodda Basaya is present. Nagraj absent. Then Nagashri,
Present, sir.
Sachin, sorry, Sakshi,
Present, sir.
Pawan,
Present, sir.
Pavitra,
Present, sir.
Pooja Ballari,
Yes, sir.
Pooja GN,
Present, sir.
Pooja Kadam,
Present, sir.
Purna,
Present, sir.
Pradnya.
Present, sir.
Yes. Then Praveen, Puneet,
Present, sir.
then Rakesh,
Yes, sir.
Ruchita,
Present, sir.
Keshav,
Present, sir.
Sahana,
Yes, sir.
Samiksha,
Present, sir.
Sanjana,
Present, sir.
Sankalp, okay. Then Sanket Kumar, is also absent. Shilpa MN,
Present, sir.
Shilpa Ganji,
Present, sir.
then Shivakumar,
Present, sir.
Shruti,
Present, sir.
Saurabh,
Present, sir.
Srujana,
Yes, sir.
Suman,
Present, sir.
Sumukh,
Present, sir.
Nagashri. Okay, so Nagashri is there in the meeting. Swati Pola,
Present, sir.
Tabassum. Tabassum is present? No. Uday Kumar,
Yes, sir.
Ishnavi,
Present, sir.
Varsha,
Present, sir.
Vedesh.
Present, sir.
Okay, Sanket Kumar has replied. Sanket Kumar is present. Okay, anybody else? Sushmita is also marked present. Yes. Anybody else who skipped attendance? Okay, just give me 2 minutes. I'll share the save the previous recording. Just a minute. Okay, students, can you listen? Hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my son's classes are also going on parallelly. He's in